Welcome to the world of aesthetic boys, gaming, and streaming room designs, where style, performance, and personal flair come together to create the ultimate battle station. Whether you're a competitive gamer, content creator, or someone who just loves a clean, high-performance setup, this video is packed with inspiration to take your space to the next level. Video game light bulb. Picture this, a sleek, dark-toned room where every element is designed for focus and vibe. Matte black walls, ambient RGB lighting that shifts with your mood, and a minimalist desk setup that screams clean and powerful. Dual or triple monitor displays light up with your favorite games, while a custom-built PC, glowing with vibrant LEDs and transparent panels, hums quietly in the corner like a beast ready for action. Black heart fire. These aesthetic setups aren't just about performance, they reflect personal style. Think floating shelves lined with gaming collectibles, neon wall signs that add a cyberpunk edge, and acoustic foam panels arranged with geometric precision to not only control sound, but look awesome doing it. Cable management is on point, with hidden routing and sleek accessories to keep everything looking pro. Comfort is key, and it shows. Premium gaming chairs in all-black leather or bold color accents sit center stage, matched with large mouse pads, mechanical keyboards, and noise-canceling headsets ready for marathon sessions. Smart lighting reacts to gameplay, and background lighting syncs with music or stream activity, creating a dynamic atmosphere that keeps the energy flowing, whether you're live on Twitch, grinding ranked matches, or recording a setup tour. For streamers, every detail is dialed in. Key lights for the perfect facecam glow, mounted mics on adjustable arms for crisp audio, and green screen options or decorated backdrops that showcase personality. It's not just a gaming room. It's a streaming studio, a creative space, and a reflection of the passion behind the screen. Some rooms go for bold, high-tech aesthetics with ultra-wide curved monitors, vertical GPU mounts, and futuristic wall art. Others lean toward cozy masculine vibes with warm lighting, wood accents, and a man cave charm that's both inviting and functional. Whether it's a high-end streamer room or a budget-friendly aesthetic setup, the key elements are always there. Clean design, thoughtful lighting, comfort, and a personalized touch. So if you're dreaming of building your own streaming room or just love watching dope setups, this video is your ultimate visual mood board. Save your favorite ideas, mix and match styles, and get ready to level up your space. Because your gaming room should be more than just a place to play. It should be a space that inspires, energizes, and makes you feel like the boss you are.